Hello guys, welcome to the 9th tutorial on HTML. I'm going to be teaching you on how to insert video file on HTML on your web page. We're going to start with the video tag, which is the video source. If it's for image, we call it the image source, but it's for video, which we insert the video source. And you know what this quote is telling us? It's telling us to insert the URL for the video, which we are going to insert the URL of my videos from the local storage. I'll insert the URL for this video, and you know where you can find the URL, the properties and security. Then you will see the URL. We'll copy it and paste it in my code editor. I will paste it. You can see the URL, but all I need to do is just to save this, and I refresh the page. You can see the video. You can see the video, but how will I use to play this video while there is no control? No control. How will I use to play this video? Simple. What I need to do is to go to my code editor and I'll write controls here. You can see it. When I write the control, I'll hit the save button again and reload my page. You can see there's controls. There are controls here. The control depends on the type of browser you're using. It can be Google Chrome, it can be Opera Mini, it can be Firefox, it can be different type of browser. But just watch. You can see we have the play button, the sig bar, the volume, the full screen, and all the rest. And I'm going to play.
So you can see
the video is playing. Why? The video is playing because I have controls. I can use to the basic videos. That's gonna do it for this video. I will see you in the next video.